What's going on YouTube? Your boy back with another unboxing slash review. You see the title and you see the bag. Today we got my first Louis Vuitton purchase, but enough talking, let's go straight over it. As you can see, this is the Louis Vuitton bag. You know. The bag, same thing. Blue, nice cloth strings. Ooh, yes sir, guys, yes sir. Like I said, this is my first purchase from the actual Louis store. If you haven't been in the Louis store, you know the customer service is A1. But yeah, the box is all wrapped up nice and perfect. I couldn't even, replicate the rewrapping of it because I had to try it on. But yeah, the guy took it in the bag and wrapped it up all nice for me. This isn't nothing. It's just a white piece of cardboard to make sure it stays sturdy. Nothing special. Louis Vuitton on the ribbon. Just came with this thing. Pretty much just just my receipt. Paid $3.45 for this. And here we go, guys. You can see, nice slide out box, tissue paper. And woo! As you can see, guys, we have the Louis Vuitton beanies. And a nice faded blue. I like it, guys, I like it. You guys look at the tag. You can see 100% authentic, guys. You know. Louis Vuitton purse. Yeah, guys, I'll put it on real quick for you guys and let you know. As you can see, it's not too thick of a hat. It's pretty thin, actually. You can see, but hey, it'll get the job done. I'll put it on for you guys real quick. Alright guys, but here it is, as you can see. Nice cool little fit. I go with the ears out. Cold days, rocking with the ears tucked in, you know. Yeah guys, as you can see I do have hair, so if you don't have any hair, fit you more conform, but yeah guys, what you guys think? Would you guys pay $345 for a beanie? Pretty much just paying for the name. I mean, don't get me wrong, it definitely is good quality, but it is a little thin, you feel me? But I do like how it changes from the dark blue to the lighter blue. It's cool in my opinion. But yeah guys, what you think? That's it for this video. Let me know down in the comments below. You rocking with it? Is it fire? Or is it trash? But until next time.